Hey guys, how you guys doing? Today we're gonna be fixing my cell phone, but as you can see there's a crack right there on the camera lens, and there's also a bunch of other cracks if you can see closely. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this off. Use the heat gun here. As you see, I have the heat gun. I'm gonna just put some heat around the edges because there's some adhesive on the edges of the cell phone. After I pry it off, I have the replacement. So this is the Galaxy S10 back panel, as you can see. All I have to do is just stick this back on. There's no wires or nothing. I'm just gonna stick this right back on. All I have to do is take off my back panel and just replace it with this and use adhesive to put it back in. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you actually want to take the SIM out and also the memory. I have a memory card in here, and so before you remove it, just make sure you cut the phone all the way off. So I'm just gonna cut the phone off so I can take everything out. Alright, so you see I got the phone off, so you know everything's cut off. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm just going to take the SIM out, remove the SIM tool to just pry in there, and what it's going to do is open up the SIM case. You see I have a dual SIM, so it also has my SD card and mid SIM inside there. So just going to move that aside. So what I'm going to start doing is just putting some heat around the edges of the phone just to heat up the adhesive that's holding on to there. So I'm going to use my heat gun. So I'm going to start, and I'm just going to work my way around the edges. Cut it off. So you're just gonna get your suction cup tools. Try to just pry it up. It's pulling off there. You see the adhesive. Just make sure you're careful. Alright, and what you're gonna do is actually put a plastic. If you have anything like a pry like this, just make sure you pry it off. Just try your best. Just be careful. So you're just gonna keep on going around the whole thing, keep on trying to open it up. So you're gonna keep on using your heat tool, keep on opening. So yeah, hopefully just go ahead and just replace this and put the new one on now. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this B7000. It's a clear adhesive, and what I'm going to do is just put some right along here. So we're just going to apply some right around here. Try to get a good amount right around the edges. And you're gonna try to do this very quickly because it's gonna start drying soon. So just go right on the edges. Try to get it good. Alright, so I have a pretty good amount of glue. I'm gonna go ahead and position my phone, and everything should just click in. What you're gonna do is just press down, make sure that the edges are sealed up. So just work your way around. Make sure if you have tissue or anything, just wipe off the excess glue. Just gonna continue to squeeze. Just squeeze down, just like that. So you got a good seal. Make sure to wipe off just the excess. Yep, and that's just about it. That's all you're gonna have to do, pretty much. Now you have a brand new or a used back case that you can use now, and there's no cracks on the glass, on the back of the glass, and there's no cracks also on the camera lens. So you're gonna make sure you squeeze everything down, and yep, that's it. Alright guys, that's it for my video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys learned something today, and please subscribe, please like the video if you can. I really appreciate it if you did, and catch you guys on the next one.